Welcome to Delta Publications. Today's topic is protection from weeds. What are weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants that grow in gardens, fields, and other cultivated areas. They compete with desired plants for resources like sunlight, water, and nutrients. Importance of weed control. Weeds can reduce crop yields and quality by competing with crops for resources. They can harbor pests and diseases that can affect other plants. Effective weed control is essential for successful farming and gardening. Methods of weed control. Cultural control. Practices like proper spacing of plants, mulching, and crop rotation can help prevent weed growth. Mechanical control. Using tools like hoes, plows, and cultivators to physically remove weeds from the soil. Chemical control. Herbicides are chemicals used to kill or inhibit the growth of weeds. They must be used carefully to avoid harming desired plants and the environment. Biological control. Introducing natural enemies of weeds, such as insects or pathogens, to reduce weed populations. Requires careful consideration to ensure that the introduced organisms do not become pests themselves. Integrated weed management. Combining multiple methods, cultural, mechanical, chemical, and biological, to manage weeds effectively. IWM reduces the reliance on any single control method and promotes sustainable weed management. Preventive measures. Start with weed-free seeds and planting materials to minimize initial weed growth. Maintain proper soil health and fertility to promote strong crop growth that can compete with weeds. Herbicide safety. When using herbicides, follow label instructions carefully to ensure safe and effective application. Use protective clothing and equipment to prevent exposure to herbicides. Environmental impact. Some weed control methods, especially certain herbicides, can have negative effects on the environment, including water pollution and harm to non-target organisms. Use environmentally friendly and selective herbicides when possible. Weed identification. Learn to identify common weeds in your region to effectively manage them. Early identification and intervention can prevent weed infestations from spreading. Regular monitoring and maintenance. Regularly inspect your garden or field for weed growth and take action promptly. Consistent maintenance and weed control efforts are crucial for long-term success.
All the best.